sexy little bar end mirrors are made by a company called Motogadget, MoView, and these are the Motogadget with the View Pace Glassless bar end mirror in black, about 117 bucks. And the really cool thing about them is, as it says, it's glassless, and yet you can see perfectly in there. It's a machined finish and it just looks like glass. It's really amazing, but of course it won't shatter or break. And what you do is screw off your bar end, bolt this on, bolt this back on, and then adjust to suit. I haven't adjusted it yet. As you can see, I still have my original mirrors on, and what a difference they make. Quite good, because you more or less got the about 2/3 of the surface area of the originals, but way more discreet. Super thin, look at that, because of it's not glass, it's machined. They look freaking cool. I think very nice, very happy with that. I think I might buy a second one for the other side, because I do like to have two mirrors. And you've got to take the originals off. Now I've got some blanking plugs coming to, because obviously this bolt's going to be too long once you remove the mirrors. And one thing to remember, if you never remove Ducati mirrors, don't make the mistake I did with my Ducati Monster 1200R, is I unbolted this one, I went to unbolt this one, it wouldn't work. I thought, oh, it's seized, and I hit it hard, snapped the bolt, and that's because it's an anti-thread. It's a left-hand thread. I don't know either, but that's the way they do it, and apparently it's still the same on Ducati, so I have to be careful when I remove that. The other thing I've done, gone for the official Ducati carbon fibre tank pad. Now all these sections you see here, all 7 of them are all separate, and there's no template, so you just got to, you know, trust your eye and hope you get it right, and I believe I've got it right. It's kind of like my belt is about here, and my zipper would be along here. I was leaning on the tank, so I think that's about right, and I think it's not bad looking. I don't really like tank protectors very much. I like seeing the paint, but it's inevitable they're going to get scuffed on a bike like this if you have you know, a healthy girth like I do. So anyway, more farkling, more fun, stay safe, ride often, ride carefully. Oh yes, right on.